guys, Kaylee Pennington here with your Harry Potter virtual day. Alright guys, so today our experiment is called Bubbly Cauldrons. We're learning about dry ice and surface tension. Okay, so first our materials. You are going to need about 5 pounds of dry ice in a cooler if you can. We have half a gallon of hot water, our bubble solution. I have a cup which I cut some string from, and here at the Mississippi Children's Museum we take safety and fun seriously. So I have my gloves on and my goggles because I will need them for this experiment. So I'm going to put them on first. So we're safe. Perfect. Alright guys, so dry ice. What is dry ice? Dry ice isn't exactly frozen water. Dry ice is carbon dioxide, CO2. It's frozen carbon dioxide, CO2. So in here I have our carbon dioxide, all right, our dry ice, right? Look, it's already frozen on the outside. Guys, when handling this, you want adult supervision. You need adult supervision for this. So have a parent with you to help you with this. You don't want to touch this directly with your hands. I'm being very careful with my gloves, so I'm going to carefully set it right here. I'm going to pour inside my container that we need to house everything in my hot water. All right, here we go. Just gonna pour it in there. All in. All right, so it's all in there. Now, I'm going to take our dry ice crystals and my tongs for extra safety measure. Let me show you what a piece, just a simple piece of this stuff. Ooh. Very careful. See it misting? Oh. Ooh, inside we're getting some fun bubbles and vapor. Carbon dioxide, when mixed with water, creates water vapor. This is that bubbling sense that you get along with this. This is water vapor. So when it melts, when carbon dioxide or dry ice melts, it doesn't melt into a liquid, okay? It goes from a solid to a gas, straight into a gas, which is where the vapor comes from. This is what it's melting into. This is its melting point. So I have a little bit of vapor going on here, and I like what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna add the rest of it, shall we? Let's just see what happens. Ooh, I feel like a real witch now. Isn't this great, guys? Ooh, I love this. All right, so we have a nice consistency of vapor going along with our carbon dioxide, CO2. So we talked about surface tension. This is our dry ice. So with surface tension, we are going to create a bubble on top of our cauldron. We have a nice bubbly cauldron, but right now it's just misting. It's a fireless cauldron, y'all. So right now I'm going to take my string. It's all bubbled up in our bubble solution here. Let's see. First thing I want to do first before wrapping it around is I want to wet the top of this all the way around. I want to give it a nice good. Now we can touch the vapor. The vapor's safe, okay? At this point, if you touch the dry ice directly, it's no good. It's not going to be very safe to touch. But in this state, it's perfectly safe to touch. The vapor is perfectly fine. So we're sudsed up on the top there. We're gonna give a nice little dip in one more time. All right, here we go, guys. Let's try it again. Dip it to that bubble solution. Give a nice strong tug. Going strong today, guys. All right, so we see the bubbling happening. Oh, the wind might get it. Let's see, let it build up. Right now, inside of our bubble, it's building up. This is the tension I was talking about. Surface tension. Oh no, it popped. That's okay. You can do this again and again. You saw how many times it took me to get one bubble. Guys, you can keep doing this until the vapor stops. This is a fun experiment to do during Halloween or just at home if you want something fun to do. This is great. We can make tons of bubbles. The surface tension that we get from the cauldron creates warps with the cauldron itself. So very tightly across one more time. This is our surface tension with our cauldron, which is Bubbly Cauldrons, guys. Thanks for joining me.